hey, can I even get a mortgage nowadays? Or are people able to get loans and mortgages? Hi, I'm Randy Warren. Thanks for joining me for a quick edition of Ask Mr. Mortgage. I just wanted to run a couple of things by you. I've been working from home today, but I've been talking to a lot of my clients and things along that nature. So I wanted to give you some answers to questions that I've been getting from those clients. Number one is a question that surprised me some, and it is, hey, can I even get a mortgage nowadays? Or are people able to get loans and mortgages? Well, that capability never left us during this COVID-19 situation. The interest rates were somewhat unstable and the markets were a little bumpy. But we really were able to navigate that quite well. And now those interest rates have settled into a very consistent place, and rates are very low. So it's a great time to be able to lock in an interest rate if that's what you're thinking about doing. And the second thing is people want to know what's the best way for me to proceed if I want to buy a home in 2020. Now, some of those people were just cruising along and looking to buy a home, and then here comes COVID-19, and it sort of turned their plans upside down. So now they want to get back on track, and they want to buy a home in 2020. So how do they do that? Well, you have to have two things. You have to have patience, and you have to have preparation. Patience is this. It may take you a while to find a home and to get under contract on a home because inventories are very tight right now. In North Alabama, we've had tight inventories for the last couple of years. I would love to tell you that's getting better in 2020, but it's not. I think inventories are tighter right now than I've seen them maybe in my entire career, which is over 35 years. So you have to be patient. You have to have a realtor that's going to work hard for you and is going to be very diligent in getting those properties in front of you. And then the second piece of that is you have to be ready. You have to be prepared. So when the right property comes, you have to be ready to go. Now that involves a lot more than just saying, hey, write an offer and let's see if we get it. The people that are faring the best are people who have done two things with me. They have been pre-approved. That's just a given nowadays. You get pre-approved. But the second piece is something that most people don't do. They don't get a plan. What I do, I'll just tell you very quickly, is I look at your financial snapshot. I talk to you, I ask you questions, I identify kind of where you are in life and where you want to be in life, and then we develop a personalized plan that fits you. And I can tell you the results of that will be that you'll save money. My people who go through the process will save money. And number two, you'll also be a more confident home buyer. You know, it's a stressful thing. I mean, buying a home is a big deal. And if you're also trying to buy a home in a very tight market where you may have to make an offer on 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 homes before you get the winning bid, then it can be stressful. So by having a plan, you save money. Sometimes that's a lot of money. And you are more confident and prepared. So that's the thing. You can get a mortgage. Interest rates are still really good. And if you want to buy a home in 2020, be patient, be prepared. My name is Randy Warren. My NMLS number is 500-738. You can call or text me at 256-679-2684, or just go over to askmrmortgage.com. You'll find me there and find some resources, and you can check me out there. Thanks a lot. Hope to hear from you soon. Be safe. Be very, very safe. We're getting through this, and we're doing it together. Thank you very much.